AwardWallet is a powerful tool that helps you track your loyalty program points and miles across various airlines, hotels, and credit cards. In this tutorial, we will explore what AwardWallet track points are and how to use them to maximize your rewards. First, let's define what loyalty points are. Loyalty points are rewards earned by customers for their loyalty to a particular brand or program. These points can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, or other rewards. AwardWallet allows you to track these points in one place, making it easier to manage your loyalty programs. To start tracking your points, you need to create an AwardWallet account and link your loyalty programs to it. This can be done by providing your loyalty program login credentials or by importing your loyalty program data from a spreadsheet. Once your accounts are linked, AwardWallet will automatically track your points balances and alert you to any changes. AwardWallet track points provide a range of benefits, including tracking points balances, expiration dates, and redemption options. You can also set up custom alerts to notify you when your points are about to expire or when there are new redemption opportunities available. Additionally, AwardWallet offers a range of tools and features to help you maximize your rewards, such as point valuations, award charts, and redemption guides. One of the key features of AwardWallet is its ability to track points across multiple programs. This allows you to see all your points balances in one place and make informed decisions about how to use them. For example, if you have points with multiple airlines, you can use AwardWallet to compare redemption options and choose the best one for your needs. To get the most out of AwardWallet, it's essential to keep your account up to date and accurate. This includes regularly updating your loyalty program balances and ensuring that your account information is correct. You should also take advantage of AwardWallet's alert system to stay informed about changes to your points balances and redemption options. In conclusion, AwardWallet track points are a powerful tool for managing your loyalty programs and maximizing your rewards. By tracking your points balances, expiration dates, and redemption options, you can make informed decisions about how to use your points and get the most value from your loyalty programs with its range of features and tools. AwardWallet is an essential tool for anyone looking to get the most out of their loyalty programs.